it rattles me when people will drop $18,000 on a brand new Watercraft and go, well, I'm just going to park it outside or park it underneath a tree. They will. They do. People do this. They do this. They buy it. They enjoy it for a couple weekends. And then the shine wears off. And then they park it. Stay on top of your oil changes. Make sure that your cooling system isn't clogged. Okay. Make sure that your belts are in good health. Okay. Pull the seat off. See if there's water inside your hull. Oh, okay. Are you oiling down your engine compartment when you're done? There you go. Are you flushing it when you're done? Yes. Are you cleaning it off? Yes. How about all your weather stripping gaskets around the glove box and around the seat and around the front storage bin? How are they? Well, I don't know. Wipe them down with Armor All. Oh, okay. What's your battery charge look like? Oh, okay. Looks good. Make sure, occasionally, make sure your spark plugs are in good health. Okay. Flush. Use Salt Away. Well, I only ride fresh water. I don't give a rat's ass. Salt Away is what? $18? $25 on Amazon? You don't want to go to an actual boat shop and support a local business, which I am begging you to do instead of giving Jeff Bezos your money, but I'm trying to stay clear of politics on this one. Guys, Salt Away. You know why? Oh, well, I don't run I don't run in salt water, Kevin. So why should I run it? You want to know why? It's a detergent. Guess what aluminum does? Aluminum rusts. And what does aluminum rust look like? Calcifies. It calcifies. If you can't get your hands on on an actual maintenance book, take it in and have it done. Well, it's expensive. Okay, then burn your ski. Set it on fire. Because that's what you're going to do. You go out there going, I want to be on the lake with all my friends. They look like they're having so much fun. Then you go out and you buy a jet ski and you're making payments on something you hate. And you're not going to take care of it. Or you go out there occasionally and ride it. And then you go, okay, I'm done. Or this thing makes all sorts of noises. Well, have you done the oil change? No. Have you flushed it? No. Have you checked your spark plugs? No. What's your compression look like? I don't know what that means. Okay. If you take it to a dealership, I don't like dealerships. Dealerships screw people. Well, okay, let it rot in your backyard then, you moron. You're an irresponsible owner. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.